In this video we're reviewing the USAA Secured American Express card, a credit-building card designed for military members, veterans, and their families. This secured card requires a refundable deposit starting at $250, which sets your credit limit, and reports to all three major credit bureaus to help build or rebuild your credit history. The card has no annual fee and charges no foreign transaction fees, making it a low-cost option for everyday use. Your security deposit even earns interest, which is a rare perk for secured cards. It also comes with standard Amex benefits like travel and emergency assistance, purchase protection, and fraud protection. On the downside, the APR is high at around 25.90% to 27.15%, and the card does not offer rewards or cashback. Additionally, eligibility is limited to USAA members, and your deposit remains tied up until you close the account or potentially graduate to an unsecured card. Overall, the USAA Secured American Express card is ideal for eligible members who want a reliable, no-fee way to build or rebuild credit, provided they pay off balances in full each month. If you found this review helpful, subscribe and stay tuned for more honest card reviews.